What if your glasses could do more than just help you see? What if they could translate languages in real time, show you directions through augmented reality, summarize your emails, and even identify people and objects in your view, all without touching a screen? Welcome to the world of AI smart glasses, where the fusion of artificial intelligence and augmented reality is transforming how we interact with the world. This isn't some science fiction fantasy. It's happening now, and it's evolving fast. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the current state of AI smart glasses, how they evolved, what they can do today, the tech inside them, and the major challenges ahead. We'll also look at the future of this powerful wearable and why it may be the next revolution in personal computing. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around to the end, because what's coming next will absolutely blow your mind. The evolution of smart glasses. Let's rewind to 2013, when Google introduced the world to its experimental project, Google Glass. It had a small prism display, a built-in camera, and responded to voice commands. It could take pictures, record video, and display small chunks of information. But despite the hype, the world wasn't ready. Privacy concerns, awkward design, and a steep price tag caused the project to fizzle out in the consumer market. But that early failure wasn't the end, it was just the beginning. Over the past decade, technology has miniaturized, AI has matured, and user demand for seamless, hands-free tech has grown. Glasses are no longer just a fashion or vision tool. They're becoming intelligent wearable assistants. Today, smart glasses look and feel much closer to regular eyewear. Brands like Meta Ray-Bans XReal, formerly Unreal, Xiaomi, and TCL are pushing sleek designs that hide powerful components inside a lightweight frame. The mission: combine AI, AR, and wearable tech into something practical, stylish, and always on. What AI smart glasses can do. So, what exactly can AI smart glasses do in 2025? A lot more than you might think. Let's explore the most impressive features reshaping how we interact with our environment. Number 1. Voice interaction plus AI assistance. Modern smart glasses are embedded with microphones and often connected to powerful AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. This allows users to speak naturally to their glasses and receive real-time answers. Want to know your schedule, get directions, or summarize a long email? Just ask. This level of hands-free productivity is especially useful for professionals, students, and multitaskers. Companies like Meta and XReal are integrating AI assistants directly into the glasses, with some devices able to respond even without a phone connection. This is making smart glasses the most convenient way to interact with AI. No screen, no typing, just voice. Number 2. Real-time language translation. Imagine you're walking through a market in Japan or Paris. You glance at a sign and your glasses instantly show the translated text in your native language. Some models even whisper the translated phrases to you via bone conduction speakers. This isn't future tech, it's already in action, with products like XReal Air 2, Ultra, and Vuzix Blade. These translation features are powered by on-device processing or cloud-based AI. They are invaluable for travelers, global workers, and even for breaking down communication barriers in healthcare and education. Number 3. AR navigation. Forget staring at your phone while trying to navigate a busy city. AI smart glasses can project arrows, labels, and paths directly onto your field of vision using augmented reality overlays. With real-time GPS integration, you can walk or cycle safely while being guided visually. Google, Meta, and startups like Brilliant Labs are enhancing AR navigation, especially for people with visual impairments or cognitive limitations. It's a powerful use case that highlights the accessibility potential of this tech. Number 4. Contextual awareness plus visual recognition. AI smart glasses equipped with outward-facing cameras can identify objects, places, and even people in real time. Imagine walking into a room and your glasses reminding you, "This is Sarah from last week's design meeting." With facial recognition, object classification, and contextual memory, the possibilities are endless. This is particularly valuable in enterprise settings. Think field technicians, doctors, or factory workers who need instant information without pulling out a tablet. In the consumer world, it's helpful for memory recall, accessibility, and immersive experiences. Number 5. Hands-free communication. Imagine walking through a crowded street, coffee in one hand and your bag in the other, yet you're still able to take a call, reply to a message, or even snap a photo of the skyline without ever touching your phone. That's the magic of AI smart glasses. These futuristic frames are evolving into powerful hands-free communication hubs, designed to keep you connected while keeping your hands free. Just say a command, tap the side of the frame, or use subtle head movements and the glasses do the rest. No pulling out your phone, no breaking your flow. What makes this tech truly next level is how seamless and natural it feels. For example, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses can live stream directly to Instagram, let you answer or reject calls, and even play your favorite playlist all through voice control or minimal touch. And because they look just like regular sunglasses, nobody even realizes you're wearing high-tech gear. This is communication that blends into your life, not interrupts it. From creators and professionals to everyday users, these features are opening up a whole new world of interaction. Whether you're biking, cooking, working out, or just walking the dog, smart glasses let you stay connected and present without ever staring down at a screen. It's not just about convenience. It's about redefining how we interact with the digital world while staying fully engaged in the real one, how it works. So how does all this magic actually work? Let's look under the hood of AI smart glasses. Inside the frame, you'll find a combination of micro displays, MEMS sensors, bone conduction speakers, microphones, cameras, and sometimes even dedicated AI processors. These components work together to interpret your voice, scan your environment, and project digital information into your real world. Some models use waveguide technology or micro LED displays to overlay images directly onto the lens. Others focus on audio-only interactions, optimizing for battery life and discretion. Sensors detect movement, head direction, and surrounding light levels to adjust the display accordingly. On the AI side, models like GPT-4 and Gemini 1.5 are optimized for edge computing. That means they're getting faster, more energy efficient, and capable of working offline. This shift is critical for privacy, performance, and reducing dependence on cloud infrastructure. The challenges. Despite all the hype, AI smart glasses aren't perfect. In fact, they face some serious challenges that engineers and designers are still working to overcome. Battery life. With so much packed into a tiny frame, power consumption becomes a major issue. Running displays, cameras, AI models, and connectivity drain small batteries fast. Most glasses only last 3 to 6 hours under active use, though some models extend that with swappable batteries or charging cases. Design versus functionality. Hacking advanced sensors and chips into something that still looks fashionable is a balancing act. Users want style, but also durability and tech. Too bulky, people won't wear them. Too minimal, performance suffers. Companies like Meta and Xiaomi are constantly trying to optimize this tightrope walk between form and function. Privacy and ethics. As smart glasses become more advanced, privacy has quickly become one of the biggest concerns. With hidden cameras, built-in microphones, and AI capable of facial recognition or audio recording, many people are left wondering, who's watching me? The idea that someone nearby could be recording without your knowledge feels unsettling and in some cases, downright invasive. Questions around data security are also crucial. Where does the footage go? Is it stored safely? Who controls it? These are serious concerns that go beyond just tech. They touch human rights, digital freedom, and personal boundaries. Governments and privacy advocates around the world are taking notice. In fact, some cities and countries have already pushed back against smart glasses in public spaces. Regulations are being drafted to ensure transparency, encryption, and the right to opt out of being recorded. As the technology advances, its future will depend not just on innovation, but on building trust with the public. For AI smart glasses to thrive, creators must find the balance between convenience and ethical responsibility, because in this space, how we use the tech matters just as much as what it can do. The future. So, are AI smart glasses the next smartphone? Not quite, but they are quickly becoming the next critical interface in our digital lives. In the next 5 years, we'll see major leaps in battery tech, lightweight AR optics, and offline AI assistance. Imagine glasses that coach you during presentations, help diagnose problems in real time, or enhance memory for the elderly. From healthcare and education to industrial repair and travel, the applications are virtually endless. AI smart glasses won't just help us see better, they'll help us think, learn, and live better. They'll act as invisible assistants guiding us through an increasingly complex world. The revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and it's sitting right on your face. Cut to black screen with bold text, the future is in sight. Call to action. What do you think? Are AI smart glasses the next big thing, or just another tech fad? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of robotics, AI, and wearable tech.